Hey, hi guys, welcome to the channel. In this video I'm going to show you if you're how to basically resolve this issue when we are rendering the image in Blender. It's still updating the trees or lights. So basically here you can see it is totally empty. It'll take some time to load. Okay, first it'll synchronize, then it'll update some scenes. So let's wait for few minutes or seconds so we can see the issue properly. So now it's updating the mesh, now it's updating the lights and computing the tree. So my render is getting stuck there. After this point I'm not able to see anything at all. It becomes really frustrating, plus my system is getting hanged. So how to resolve this issue? It's quite simple. So one approach is you can basically reinstall the Blender. This is one approach. The second approach is quite simple. First I need to close this. So I have to like forcefully quit this project because in my case I'm using Mac OS and it is not strong enough for the Blender for sure. Now I have a Blender here, full size. Let me close this also. Yeah, now I'll reopen the project. Here it is. Now here you can see I have that project once again here. So number one thing is in the composition, use this use nodes. Make sure you have this layer here. And everything should be linked. This is one. The second is inside the render, make sure you go to the I think lights. Okay, inside here we have render. Inside render we have lights. You can enable or disable these things. Okay, make sure you disable this thing. Okay, this is one. Noise thread you can disable, and then you can increase the sample size for sure. And now you can try to render this. Let's try. Once again it will take some time, few seconds, so let's wait. I will do fast forward here in this video, but usually I don't do fast forwarding because I'm very lazy. I don't do that much editing. Now here you can see it's calculating the samples. So this is how you can do it. So here you can see we got the image. This is the way to render it. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day.